Superfood Evolution presents Growing Sprouts for Fresh Living Nutrients. Sprouts are the germinated seeds of various plants that, when sprouted, provide a highly concentrated source of potent energy packed with pre-digested vitamins, minerals, protein-rich amino acids, sugars, fatty acids, and chlorophyll. One seed holds within it a nutrient treasure chest waiting to be opened. During the beginning stages of its growth cycle, the baby seed is bursting with nutrient content on its way to becoming a fully developed plant. This results in a highly nourishing food that is full of fiber as well as flavor. Sprouts can be grown from a variety of seeds, including many vegetables, spices, grasses, and some legumes, and are often considered a kind of sprout vegetable. They can be sprouted in glass jars, trays, and can also be grown as microgreens. Sprout seeds are soaked and rinsed to remove enzyme inhibitors and to help initiate germination. As the seed is nutritionally activated through the process of sprouting, it begins to break down starches into simple carbohydrates, fats into fatty acids, and proteins into amino acids. This makes the nutrients more bioavailable to us when we eat them. Sprouts and sprouting is especially popular for some people following a high raw diet because they add a handful of enzyme-rich nutrients to any meal or salad. The idea of growing sprouts from seeds is a fairly new one here in the West, although versions of sprouting appear throughout the Bible and are especially prevalent in the book of Daniel. Chinese physicians have also been documented using sprouts to heal and cure diseases more than 5,000 years ago. Today, many of the following health institutions are endorsing and using them as part of a health-promoting diet to help in the treatment of serious diseases and chronic illness. The Johns Hopkins University, the American Cancer Society, the National Institutes of Health, the Hippocrates Health Institute. Reasons to eat super sprouts: high amounts of enzymes for maximum nutrient uptake, anti-aging antioxidants that protect DNA structure, detoxification of the cells and lymph system, build brain neurons and strengthen muscle tissue, chelated minerals and amino acids for superior absorption, rich in phytonutrients and chlorophyll, great source of fiber for the intestinal tract. Learning how to grow sprouts. Learning how to grow sprouts by sprouting seeds is an easy and great way to increase your health immediately with fresh produce you can harvest right in your very own kitchen. The process of growing sprouts is also accessible to most humans worldwide, as they can be grown indoors all year long in most any climate. They are the perfect food to grow inside your home if you happen to live in a city or are unable to grow your own garden. The seeds themselves are easy to store and are extremely cost-effective. 1 teaspoon of alfalfa seeds makes 1 pound of sprouts. There are a wide variety of super sprouts to choose from, all with their own unique tastes and health benefits. You should, of course, always use raw, organic, whole seed sources. Our list of favorite sprouts. Alfalfa sprouts. Alfalfa sprouts are one of the original health food super sprouts used on sandwiches and in salads, but are becoming less popular these days as people become more acquainted with the different sprout varieties available. Alfalfa seeds are great to mix and grow with other sprouting seeds as they provide a neutral balance to more flavorful sprouts. They have a mild nutty taste with a crunchy texture and are high in vitamin K and chlorophyll. Broccoli sprouts. Broccoli sprouts became popular in the 1990s when researchers from Johns Hopkins University isolated a cancer-fighting phytochemical called glucoraphanin, which makes sulforaphane glucosinolate, or SGS. Sprouts are hard to come by in most natural markets, but sprouting broccoli seeds can be achieved successfully once you get down some basic sprouting techniques. You can grow them by jar sprouting, vertical tray sprouting, or as a microgreen. Buckwheat greens. Buckwheat sprouts are beautiful, tender greens that can be added to a salad or used in replacement of the lettuce leaf itself. A great texture and flavor, buckwheat is grown from the unhulled, dark buckwheat seeds, sprouted and grown on soil or hydroponically. Similar to pea shoots in size and texture, buckwheat lettuce was first popularized by Dr. Ann Wigmore in the early 1970s with her raw living food diet and lifestyle. Clover sprouts. Clover sprouts are similar in look and taste to that of alfalfa. They have blood tonic properties and are a great sprout for women, relieving hot flashes and menopausal symptoms. Clover is easy to grow and is especially nice when mixed with other seed varieties. In late spring, you can actually harvest your own wild red clover seeds if you happen to live close to a wild clover patch. Clover grows quite abundantly in meadows and on hillsides. Cress sprouts. Cress, also called peppergrass, has a super spicy flavor similar to radish sprouts, mustard greens, and of course watercress. It is a common addition to sandwiches in the United Kingdom, where it is grown and sold on soil flats year-round. We use curly cress seeds to grow our cress sprouts by simply sprinkling a small amount of seeds on a tray of soil. They take about 2 weeks for a full tray of healthy green peppergrass sprouts. Fenugreek sprouts. Fenugreek sprouts are a wonderful aromatic sprout, which has a scent similar to that of maple syrup. Its seeds are used as a popular spice in Indian food. The sprouts from fenugreek aid in digestion and are noted for their lymph cleansing qualities that benefit female breast health. Flushing the breast lymph nodes periodically by consuming the sprouts of fenugreek is a great way to promote healthy breast tissue. Lentil sprouts. Lentil sprouts can be germinated from any kind of lentil that you buy at most markets. This includes green lentil, red lentil, or French lentil. They have a high protein content and are delicious in combination with other types of green sprouts. The best way to eat any small legume is to sprout them first. This increases the nutrient content and makes them easier to digest when eaten as a raw food or cooked into a soup. Mung bean sprouts. Mung sprouts are sprouted from the green mung bean and are a tasty treat to add to many recipes. Mung bean sprouts are often forced to germinate as long white bean sprouts, but you can also enjoy them as a crunchy pea-like legumes. This variety is rich in amino acids because of its higher protein content and is the one we recommend for its higher nutritional value. Onion sprouts. Onion sprouts have a sweet, nutty onion flavor that is not overpowering, and they don't give you onion breath, like mature onions do, or make you cry. They are basically long green mini scallions and are a delicious addition to any sprout salad combo. They take longer to grow, but are worth the wait. You can sprout onion sprouts using the vertical tray sprouting method, but if you are a newbie to sprouting, we recommend the jar sprouting technique. Pea shoots. These tasty sweet shoots are an excellent, tender, and robust green. Pea shoots can be grown from any pea seed and are similar in texture and size to that of buckwheat sprouts. They are usually grown on soil using the tray sprouting method and are a delicious sprout to have handy in the kitchen. You can chop off your pea sprouts as you need them for a salad or steam them slightly in a stir fry. They are a gourmet delicacy in many parts of the world. Radish sprouts. Radish sprouts can be sprouted from either red radish seeds or daikon radish. Both have the spicy flavor that radishes are known for and can be easily grown indoors using the jar sprouting method. The red radish sprouts have a red pigment in their sprout hairs and sometimes in the leaf. Daikon radish is often grown as a vertical sprout and is commonly used in Asian cuisine. Sunflower sprouts. Sunflower sprouts are one of the top super sprouts for yielding high volumes of produce that can be enjoyed in a salad or as the main salad ingredient. They have thick, dense, tasty leaves and are a very nourishing sprout to eat for those following a high raw diet. Sunflower greens are sprouted with the small, black, unhulled sunflower seeds that come from the black oil sunflower plant. They are a great source of lecithin, which helps to break down amino acids. Wheatgrass. Wheatgrass, grown from wheat or wheat berries, is not edible as a grass, but pressed and consumed as a juice. Wheatgrass juice is known to contain potent and powerful concentrations of chlorophyll and other nutrients that immediately transfuse into the blood system. Wheatgrass is grown on soil in trays, cut and juiced when mature or before the blades split. It is one of the greatest known sprouts for detoxifying the body and purifying the liver. Buying sprout seeds. It is important that you always buy the freshest seeds to ensure their sprouting potential has not been compromised by age. We always like to purchase our sprouting seeds in 1-pound sealed bags to ensure their viability. It is good to stock up on pounds of seed because they are an excellent survival food next to wild edible plants, for they require minimal equipment, storage space, and resources to germinate as fresh produce. Thanks for watching, and for more Super Sprout varieties, visit superfoodsforsuperhealth.com. Please like this video if you found it useful.